All right, we're gonna start with something different today. That's the 5-drawer chest, wood and gray. Look at that beauty. Oh, look at it all the way. You got it with the roller guys over there. Look at that. Oh, this thing, loud blasting music at $245. And now we head over here and look at that at $149. We have this natural chest. All right, look at that, $149. And it's a beaut. And again, too, this one also has the roller guides. Look how thick that wood is right there. All right, now we go over here and we got this, the VH 1300, and it's at $595. Look at that. 7 pieces, that's 6 chairs. Right here we have the Sedona. Look at that beauty. And it's in good shape, and that's at 300 buckaroonies right there. Pretty much new. Look at that. We go over here. We got this chair, light brown. Oh, what a nice one. 75 bucks. That looks comfy. End table, $29. Now this is a deal for all deals. You get it new. Cushions not included. So we'll go and expand it out a little bit. Right there, and that's at $149 or $199, apologize.